Welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and this is
Natalie.
Yeah. And how old are you? 4. Yeah, you're 4. And how old are you gonna be this week? 5. Yeah. Are you excited? Yeah. And we are making your birthday cake today. What kind of cake did you want?
Paw Patrol.
Paw Patrol cake? For your birthday? Did we do one last year? Is that okay? Yeah, we do another one this year? Yeah. All right, let's get started.
Okay.
I start out stacking the cake. This is an 8-inch pumpkin spice cake filled and frosted with cinnamon Swiss meringue buttercream. Recipe to follow. I cleaned up the cake board with a wet wipe. Then I rolled out some white fondant and laid it over the cake. Smoothed the fondant on with my fondant smoother and my hands and cut off the excess with a knife. Then I have this Paw Patrol cutter that I've recently bought. This is different than the one I've used before. It has separate pieces. I'm using turquoise, pink, and purple to make the Paw Patrol logo. I use the different pieces to cut out different parts of the logo. Then I rolled thin logs of turquoise, pink, and purple and braided them together. And I wrapped it around the bottom of the cake. Then I cut out Natalie's name and age out of pink fondant. This is such a simple yet effective girly Paw Patrol cake. You may have noticed a slightly too large white space on the right. I actually did this on purpose because I ordered a beautiful Skye Paw Patrol themed candle. It will look perfect there. So the Skye in the thumbnail was a store-bought candle. My daughter loved the cake. She was so excited to be 5. Happy birthday, Natalie! For more cakes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Subscribe for a new cake every week. Hit the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload a new video.